Today we're going to talk about hot spots, and that is a skin problem that we see quite routinely. And what you'll see at home is a dog that has a wet area of skin and hair. Sometimes it's itchy, sometimes not. And a very common place for them to occur is right on the side of the cheek, below the ear. And the other place, of course, is around the back end, around the tail area, but they can be anywhere at all. And the key is knowing what to treat them with, and then the other side is how do we prevent the next one. So treating them, what we need to do is to clean it. Now here's a shot showing a hot spot that has not been treated yet, and that is the hair is still there, it's intact, but if you look through the hair, you can see all the goo and the wetness that's there. And when you have all that stuff on the skin, what's happening is that the bacteria are just having a party and causing a skin infection. And that also causes it to get big. In some cases, these things can be huge on a dog and cover half their back end. So they can be very bad. So what we're going to be doing with these is clipping the hair. Now here's a shot of a hot spot that's showing it all clipped and what it looks like underneath that when all the hair is removed. And so what you can see is a red area, and that's the skin that's infected. And now that the hair is off, we can clean it off, scrub it up really good, dry it, and then put ointment on top. The other part of the treatment is also using an antibiotic, usually orally. But the key is the ointment that has to go on there has to contain probably an antibiotic, but most importantly, some type of an anti-inflammatory like a cortisone. You can use stuff that you can get at the pharmacy as well, but the key is cleaning it off, as in getting the hair off so you can clean the skin, and that way you can clean it, dry it, and then apply the ointment. Otherwise, the ointment is just going to go on top of the goo that's on the skin surface, and it's not going to be able to treat it at all. So unfortunately, you do have to get the hair off, unless you catch it really early, and you can scrub it, dry it, and just limit it to a very small spot. Sometimes you can do that. What causes them? The most common thing is allergies. And whenever we see a golden retriever coming in with a hot spot below its ear, the first thing we think of is allergies, and quite often they're allergies to food. And other dogs certainly follow that pattern. You can get it caused by other skin irritation, and sometimes you'll get it because of fleas. But the key is finding out the cause so you hopefully prevent the next one. And that's going to probably need a discussion with your veterinarian.